Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about the new version of Snowrunner, and I have the previous video on the same on how to enable the mod browser or how to run the mods in the Fidgal or Codex version of the Snowrunner. And I've seen the comments that the previous video also works, but in this video I will start from where everyone starts from, when you install the new game, what errors do you get and how to tackle them. So let's get started with the game. So I have uninstalled the previous version of the SnowRunner and I have installed the latest version of SnowRunner. So let's start the game and let's see what error do we get. I'm pretty sure we will be getting an error of EUL acceptance at first. Let's see. So my previous game of SnowRunner was working fine, and then I installed a new one and the settings were changed. It was no longer accepting the previous file. So we are in the game. Let's see, load game. Yeah, so as you can see that when I try to load the saved game in which I have used the mods, it's saying as the mod truck is missing. That means our save file is messed up again and we have to fix it. So I always keep the slot 2 for creating a new game. I don't use this slot for the mod maps or the mod vehicles. I just keep it saved so that I can start a new game, and it is necessary to have this slot fixed for a proper pure game. So this is your save slot 1, save slot 2, save slot 3 and save slot 4. Just remember this. There is one step in the user underscore profile where you have to mention the slot. This is slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 and slot 4. So right now, as you can see, the mods are not working, the mod maps are not working. So if I try to continue, it will just get me to this here, or it will probably run this file which doesn't have mod and it works perfectly, the vanilla file. So we are getting the mod browser issue here. So what we'll do is that we will exit the game. Okay, we will navigate to our user underscore profile file. Now as you can see here that this file has been reset. I have like 15 to 20 mods enabled, and as you can see our mods permitted is 0 here. That means this file is resetted and I can no longer use it. So what I did, I already have one saved file with me, the user underscore profile that I always used. So this is my user underscore profile file. You can see the mod IDs here. There are like 15 20 plus mods here, and as you can see is enable mode is true, our mods permitted is 1. So what I will do is I will just copy this and I will paste it here on this file. I will just save it and then I will try to run the game. So a lot of people do this and still face the issue. Let's see. Now here I did not make the file as read only. I have just copy pasted the content and saved it. I did not make it read only. So let's see if we get the same error. Yeah, okay, we are getting the same error, EUL acceptance. Okay, this is fine. Exit the game, check the remote user. Yeah. So it has again been modified by the game. I will just remove this. Okay. So I will just paste the same thing again here. As you can see, the save slot here is 2. This is the vanilla save file. Oh, sorry. This is the vanilla save file. So when game starts and if you have save slot 2 here, the game will automatically detect which save slot you need to go in, and as per that you won't get that EULA error. So right now I will just save this file, and now I will just a moment. I will just close this so that we can modify it. So I will go to properties and then make it read only, so that game won't be able to change this file. Just refresh it and start the game. I will also be helping you guys with the mod IDs, like many people have an issue finding the mod ID. It's in or it's on the mod.io page as the reference ID that is same as your mod ID. I will show you guys in the end of the video. And you need the mod.io installer for this to work, to install the mods. Okay, this is fine. Load game still getting the error. Now let's see if we make any changes. Just come here, read only. I will just make it I will just remove the read only from this file. Click apply. Okay, then run the game again. This time it should work, I think, because now the settings have already been saved by the game. It should take the new user underscore profile settings. Still getting the same error. That's weird. Okay, maybe we can start a new game. Load the game. So this is the first time I'm running the game, so that we will be on the same page. I will just run this stuff for a bit so that the game will save this. Okay, it's saving here. Let's go to main menu. Let's check the mod is still showing as missing. Exit the game. Now open the file again. Okay, it has been reset. Say slot 1, that is not we wanted it. So I will just replace it with my file. Save. Maybe I will also close this one. So I won't be making it as read only right now. Let's see if we start the game, if it still runs it. Also, I don't have the video on how to install or download the mods from the mod installer. That was a very old video, and you can probably found it or find it on the Google or YouTube. And once you download that installer, it also comes with the PDF file on how to download the mods and set up the JSON file. Okay, still no good. Okay, exit the game again. Okay, it reset it again. Just paste it, save it. So these are the steps that you have to do. Oh, no, no. So these are the steps that you have to do for every mod or at the start of the game or when you install a new mod. This time I will just make it read only. This video will be a bit long, I know, because we are starting from the bottom. Like everyone will be getting the same errors and issues that I'm getting right now. I'm just trying to fix them in this video so that you will know what you need to do. Oh, nice. This time, no error. So I will just make sure that I have made it a read only. Yeah, it's a read only. So the game won't change this. Now if I load the game, see, I'm not getting any error that mod is missing here, not here. So these two are the mod maps, and they will run perfectly with no errors. We'll just start this game, saved game. So just to know, like if you have one slot that is empty and you are creating a new game there, the creating the new game is necessary because that is where the game will know that this is the vanilla file and it will not give you the EULA errors and all. So if you have that, yeah, okay, you can just ignore this, click on accept. So if you have that saved game in slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 or slot 4, you just need to change that in the user underscore profile file here. I have that vanilla game saved in slot 2, so I have inputted here as 2. If you have it saved in slot 3, you can use slot 3 or slot 4 or slot 1 this way. So we'll no, 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 no. Sorry, don't save. Okay. So as you can see, I have the mods installed and they are showing up. You don't need the mod browser here because we will be enabling the mod from the user underscore profile file. So there is no need to go into the mod browser. As you can see, I have all the mods here. If you want to confirm, I can run one mod. Yep. Leave the garage. Yeah, it's working perfectly. No issue with this. Spark as of. As you can see, the mods are working perfectly. So just go back to the return menu, main menu. Yeah. So let's just try to start the game again and see if we still get any errors. Okay, now I have closed the game and we'll start it again, and hopefully we won't be getting any EULA acceptance agreement and any errors. Also, it's not necessary to have the vanilla saved file in slot 2. uh, I know if you guys face this issue, you will probably try to delete your hardworking file from slot 2. Don't do it. Just create a new one in slot 3 and change the user underscore profile uh, input from slot 2 to slot 3. I will also be sharing this file on drive like the previous video. As you can see, the game runs perfectly and it does not show up any errors. The mod browser, it is not needed. As you can see, we can turn on the mods from the user profile. I didn't click on here to turn on and off. You don't have to do anything here. Load game, no errors, so game is working perfectly fine. So many people were asking where will I find the mod ID. So the mod ID will be on the mod.io page. Browse games, Snowrunner. So if I open any mod in mod.io, for example, oh that's good. Okay, so you see the resource ID here, this one. So this is your mod ID. In the old page of the mod.io, it was mentioned as mod ID, but on the new page, this is the new page of mod.io, updated page. You will see the resource ID here, and this is your mod ID 2159317. This is your mod ID. Okay, so this one is covered, and the second, I think many people are trying to add the mod in the game and still getting the same error. So you can just follow the same steps. If you add the mod, let's just try it. Okay, cancel properties. I will just remove the read only so that I can edit it. So if I open my file, you can see the mod ID here. This is mod state list. This list is required to which mentions that which mods to be running in the game. So I have this many mods running in the game or installed in the game. It will end here. So if you guys wish to add a new mod, what you can do is you can just copy paste this. Okay, you have to input the comma here and paste it like this. Now what I will do is I will add the mod vehicle that I have already installed. So this is the one. Okay, I will just paste the number here. Okay, now I've added the mod ID here. So the things, the mod permitted is 1. I have added the new mod that I have downloaded and making the changes to user underscore profile file. The save slot is 2. Okay, now I will just save this file. I will just close it, cancel. I need this file, and I have not make it a read only. Let's try to make it a read only file. Apply, okay, and we'll run the game. Let's see if we get any errors. You can add the number of mods in the user underscore profile file. It does not hamper anything. So I have tested it before on the previous version and it works perfectly fine. I'm just adding the one mod here. You can add 2 to 3 mods at a time. Okay, now we are getting the error. So what we will do is that we'll run the vanilla save file. run the vehicle for a moment till the game save the file. It's saved. Return to main menu. And now I will exit the game. Okay, now you can see there are several modes are missing. This is missing, this is missing. We'll exit the game. We'll open our saved file. Oh, it was read only. Okay, let's just try it again. Now I've removed the read only. Let's check. So I won't be editing this video, so we all will be on the same page. I won't be cutting anything from this video. Okay, we're getting the error. Just load the game into the vanilla. So right now I have the user underscore profile file, and I did not make it read only. The game will edit the file and will probably remove all its content from it. Okay, it's saved. Go to main menu. Will exit the game. You can just ignore this one. Now let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the game have changed the file details here. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy paste the content from my file that I have saved here. It have the latest mod, the second mod that I installed, that is from the 593. We'll just Control Alt and copy paste. Just save this one. Okay. Now I'm not sure if I try to make it read only or keep it like this. Let's just keep it like this. Run the game. Let's see what error we get, or will it run properly. Hopefully it won't give any errors. Yikes, it did give an error. Let's exit. Yeah, okay. Just make it again, just copy paste the content. Now this time I will make it read only, and hopefully we won't get any errors now. No errors this time. Nice. So I can load the game. You can see that there is no error here, no error here, and no error here. That means our game will work perfectly fine with the new mod, the second mod we input in the user underscore profile. So there you go. You can add multiple mods in the user underscore profile file, and you can follow the steps that I followed. Once you change the user underscore profile file, just run the game, let the game change the file, then you can just copy paste your saved file there. Make sure you have the second mod id pasted there. Save the file, make it read only, and run the game. It's working. And anyways, if you are facing the issue, if you face any errors, then you will definitely be commenting on the video and I will be replying on the same. Just to confirm, we'll just get into the game. It's taking time to load. You can just ignore this and just click on accept. As you can see, where we've saved our file, we are exactly there. So there you guys have it. The video for how to fix the mod browser issue. In the first video, I did not start it from scratch. I researched a bit at first and then uploaded the video. But from here, I started from the scratch, from the bottom, where everyone will be, and we have fixed the issue and created the video, and you can refer the same to run the game mods for your Snowrunner. So I just have some people commenting on my previous video, and I will be checking the comments and I will be helping with the resolution if possible. So Jaino said, great tutorial, just a few question. I was able to on the mods, but somehow when in game, some mods are just black figured of the mod and has no sound. Do you have any idea on what I have done wrong? So I have replied to this like, if you see any mod in the game which showing texture glitch, that it will show black and red texture on the truck, what you can do is download their files manually. How to download the files manually? You can just go here, and then I have already subscribed this. You can download this file here. It will be downloaded in zip. Okay, what you need to do is you just have to paste these two files. Okay, you just have to paste these new files into your downloaded mod file. Now where it will be somewhere, oh yeah, here mods. So for me it is in my documents, my games, Snowrunner base mod dot mod.io and mods. So I will be pasting these files here. Let me just check the mod id. Where is the mod id? Or did I miss anything? I think it's old page. Just open the new page. Subscribe. Okay, I think this is still the old page. As you can see, mod ID here. I think yeah. Okay. So this is the new page, and this is the mod ID. So I'll just search for the Zik. What is 02? No, not this one. I'm looking for the Zik. Yeah. So 459, 459, where I can see it, 459. This is my oldest mod, so it will be on the bottom here. So you can see, you can just you have these files here. You can just paste it and replace these files, and it will fix your texture problem. I'll just cancel it for now. I don't need it. So let's see the other comments. So literal, okay. Use a preferred file, some points that you have. I should just copy your files. Yes, you can just copy paste my files, but you just have to make sure that I have some mods installed downloaded by me. So you can just make changes to this file till this. Okay, these all are mods. So from here to here, this is one mod. Okay, so if you have downloaded one mod or two mods, you can just, if you have downloaded one mod, you can just uh, input this, and after that you will be fine. You can delete all these things from here till this. Okay, you have to keep this one right there only. You don't have to delete it, or it will mess up your file again. So till this, if you have one mod installed, you can delete this thing, and you can just keep this one only for one mod. If you have two mods, you can do the same till here. If you have three mods, till here, and so on. Okay, let's check the next one. Thank you, man. Perfect solution. Thank you, Fabio. This works till now. You finally replace, and everything was fine. Oh, that's great. Subtitles, Jimmy, I will definitely be using the subtitles on this video. Okay, thanks a lot, man. The instruction worked. Completely missed the part where you reconnect the internet. At what point do you reconnect? Okay, so at first your game will have the internet. It will be connected to the internet. On how you can stop the internet from connecting with the game, or game connecting to the internet, you can disable it by the firewall or through the firewall. What you can do is that I think I won't be able to show that here, but search on Google on how to disable the app or software internet from the firewall. So the next one is, I repeat the procedure, but the mod was still gray, and when I want to install the mod via mod install, it says that it did not find user underscore profile dot dat. So this one, user underscore profile dot dat file, this is for the old Snowrunner versions. For new Snowrunner versions, the game file is .cfg. Okay, and I think you can ignore that error, or let's just check getting same exemption error. Because I don't have network connection. Okay, you don't need the network connection. Yeah, so these were the steps that I have provided within. Okay, so the next, I don't know if is so different because I haven't used any mods in my saved or what. I started the game, went back to the menu and get prohibited message. Yeah, you will get the prohibited message when you start the game at first. Then you have to disable your internet. This was mentioned in the video also. I then disable all SnowRunner net connection. Perfect. I can change the permissions line, but the other two lines do not appear in my CFG. If the other other file details are not showing up in the user.cfg file, run the game again, create a new save file in an empty slot, drive a vehicle for a bit, let the game save it, then exit the game, and it will show other details. So because my view looks like yours, there is no ID numbers. It is not necessary that your file should look like mine, the same as mine. You can just copy paste my file there. It already have all the settings set. Okay, you just have to input the mod ID or the mod thing. Now I still got the L thingy. Even though I modified the text using the file, it's still perfect. But if remove the mod state list, the mod list, of course, they will gone. What the hell? Yeah. So this will happen, and I just in this video that I'm creating and I will be uploading today, you will know how to get it fixed. Help me please. Mod browser don't open. I tried all the things you mentioned, but mod browser don't open. I don't have downloaded any mods before. How can I fix? Eric buddy. So I did reply on this. Uh, so you first have to download the mod installer and then install the mods through it. User profile file, there is no enable mode file, then what should I do? Just input it or download my file. It have everything. Nice video, but I can't use more than one mod. Everything I added second mod, the first one was missing when I start the game. uh, I think you probably were replacing uh, your first mod with the second one, that is so like if I have this one mod install and you need to install the second mod, you have to input the same thing again, but I think you are probably just copy pasting this mod ID here by a comma. So I don't think that will work, and it never works. Okay, let's check the next one. Side instead of 123, but my mod's not showing in the mod browser. You don't have to check the mod browser. You can just go into the game. Sometimes the mod don't show up in the mod browser, but did show up in the game. Can you help fix the issue? You cannot start application from this location, but it's already installed from different location. So I have replied on this. If you guys face the issue, that means you already have the mod installer installed on your PC. You have to uninstall it from control panel and install the new version. This will fix this error. So I replaced my file with your profile. Now it works, but says no mods found. I didn't understand when you said change the in file mod ID from to your ID. How do I know my ID? So Helmut, this will be really helpful for you if you watch this video. So how to find your mod ID? Just go on to the mod.io page, open any mod, the resource ID is your mod ID. So let's just check the next. 90 of the fit girl, but a conditional mod. Can you help also when get the error user dot not found? Oh, so I have already replied on this. Counters match with yours. Can you share once? I have already did, and I will be sharing the new file also. You will showing yeah of the second mod. I have that covered in this video. You genius. I love you. Thank you, Gabriel. Bro, game won't install start, but after 2.6 ISTS stop. Sorry, Wasim. I don't know about that. From where I get the mod, if that's mod ID, already covered in this video. So thank you guys for watching and supporting. We have 261 subscribers right now, and hopefully we'll get more. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It won't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot to create such videos in the future. And take care. Have a lovely playing game of SnowRunners, and have a wonderful day to all the truckers.